Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how I made a dollar store wreath. I'm planning on making a few wreaths before Christmas and in the future, so I got a lot of supplies. First, I start out by laying everything out and trying to get an idea of how I want the wreath to look. I knew I wanted this one to be for my mom, so that helped me narrow it down. Everything I chose is from the Dollar Tree except for the little bells, which came from a Christmas sweater kit from Aldi a few years ago, the garland, which is from Walmart, and the ribbon, which probably came off a gift or something. The first thing I always do is cut apart the flowers from the bunches. A wire cutter would probably be better, but I just make a notch with scissors and then bend it and it works fine. Next, I wove the garland through the wire and secured the ends with hot glue. I don't always do my wreaths so uniform, but I decided 3 gold and 3 large white poinsettias evenly spaced would be pretty. For some of them I bent and wove the stems into the wire, and for others I cut them off right at the base. Either way, I always use hot glue wherever it's touching the wire. Then I took the smaller flowers and other pieces and filled in all the gaps. I had some pine cones, berries, and sprigs. I didn't care about these being uniform like the other flowers, I just tried not to put similar things too close together. The sparkly branches, I should have used super glue instead of hot glue because they started to melt, but I just stuck with the hot glue. I decided to stick some bells in the middle of the poinsettias because I knew my mom would think it was cute. I didn't think they'd jingle because the flower would mute it out, but my mom actually has already received this wreath and she said they did a little bit. My final steps were to use these pieces to fill in any bare areas. I think they're used to hook garland to banisters and such, but they work perfectly. And then when I was happy with everything, I tied on this red ribbon to match the berries throughout.